in today's episode, once again, Chris is with me.
Oi, not that one. Hi, back again. Going to social distance, but we'll give it a go.
Well, the project this time is to actually repair this front spoiler. As you can see, it's cracked and it's terribly scuffed all across the front. So our plan will be to whip this off, repair the crack and reassemble it. Should take, an afternoon at best. You will have spotted by now that this is not the van, or a Goldwing. The van will unfortunately reappear in future videos. It's having even more work done to it, mostly as a result of breakdowns and general maintenance. This proven in the running lights video that actually turned into a prop shaft overhaul. And no, that wasn't staged. If you've not seen the video, go back and check it out.
Why is he just turning though? So he should undo turning like a nut at the top.
Ah, it might be a nut at the top. You got that 10mm spanner?
Yeah, we can get it. Aha! Yeah, there you go.
The running lights will return in a future episode, and we might even get the van to do a hill start, or pull away from the lights quickly as we work through the whole transmission line. The Goldwing is another project that, being American, is fighting us every inch of the way, but will also appear in future episodes. The good news being, it's actually going okay, and it's proven itself worthy of a place on film. Back to this MX5. I know it's not American, but no, I'm not really an American fanboy. I just like the cars, and I think the flag is really cool. Anyway, this car has been a bit neglected of late.
Ready? Ta-da!
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 Look at that. My word, that's floppy.
Yes, why thank you.
As is custom for our channel, we were up against the clock, and so I threw the paint on in less than ideal circumstances. Although I did order the paint online, matching a Mazda colour code. I was over the moon that the can gave a proper fan-like spray pattern. Incidentally, the colour is twilight blue and belongs to this limited run of Sport 5s. I could have continued the preparation to remove every last nick, but there comes a point when you just need the car back on the road. Overall, I think it came out pretty well.
Today we're going to fit a bit of bling to Ed's MX5.
It's an MX5.
Right, it's an MX5.
Start again?
Yeah.
No, don't worry, carry on.
That's right then. Welcome today.
In the edit, it'll be an MX5.
Yeah, that's fine. Right, going to fit this to Ed's MX5. Bit of bling.